Hey everyone, today I'll show you how you can create smooth color to black and white transition in Premiere Pro. I've just added a clip to my timeline and I want to create a transition that fades it from color to black and white. First, go to your project panel, click the new item icon and select adjustment layer. When the setting windows appear, click OK to accept the default. Now drag the adjustment layer above your clip on the timeline so that the start of the layer marks where you want to transition to begin. Next, go to your effect panel, search for Lumetri color and drag it onto your adjustment layer. Position your playhead at the start of the adjustment layer. Then under effect control, expand the creative section and click the stopwatch icon next to saturation to create your first keyframe. Now move the playhead about 15 frames forward. At this point, reduce the saturation to 0 to create the black and white effect. Let's play that back. You can see the smooth fade from color to black and white, simple and effective. If you want to transition back to color, move the playhead to the point where you want the color to return. Click the keyframe button next to saturation to mark this point. Then move the playhead another 15 frames forward and click the reset parameter button. This will bring the clip back to full color. Here's the final result, a seamless transition from color to black and white and back to color. And that's it.